Jenny et John avaient tout prévu.
Maison de rêve, vous voulez des enfants?
Oui. Prenez un chien, entourez-le de deux acteurs aussi formidables que Jennifer Aniston et Owen Wilson, et vous obtenez la comédie américaine Marley et moi. Marley étant un adorable labrador adopté par un jeune couple de mariés et qui va vite se révéler incontrôlable.
Marley, tu peux pas passer à travers la moustiquaire.
Marley!
Salut Steve!
It was just a wonderful script. It was a great story, and
This was a book at first. Let's say
yeah,
that.
it was a book, and it had been a bestseller, and I had gotten this book by many people one Christmas. And you know, there was just and at first when I got it, I read it, and I was like, oh, this is going to be about a dog, and I sort of, when you read it, you really saw that it was this portrait of a marriage and this sort of life that these two, over 15 years, live together, and sort of the dog that sort of supports them through it and sort of teaches them lessons, and then the universal experience of those who do have dogs.
Au lieu d'essayer d'avoir un bébé, si on arrêtait d'essayer de ne pas en avoir un. Il y a une jolie nana à poil dans ton pieu.
Bon, écoute, vous n'avez qu'à commencer. Je vous rejoins dès que je le pourrai.
Il ne s'agit effectivement pas que d'une histoire de chien. Marley, et à travers lui tous les animaux de compagnie, se révèle finalement être le témoin des aléas et des choix de vie d'un couple. Famille ou travail, un vrai dilemme, même pour Owen Wilson et Jennifer Aniston.
Hopefully you wouldn't want to stop everything, because part of probably being happy
That's
is
kind of
kind of
what you do in
having
the
a
movie,
complete life.
Well, I think you get to a point, and she gets to a point, and I've seen this happen with a lot of my girlfriends, where you it's your instinct that
Right.
it's I love my job, but as much as I love my job, this is one of the two is going to suffer, and it's not going to be the child. So I'm going to make this decision, and of course there's the natural, missing, because it's in a very intense responsibility, and it's just you and these kids, and if you aren't in the position to have help, then it's really or it's not even that you can have it, but that you don't want help. You want to do it on your own. It doesn't come without its challenges.
22 chiens ont été réquisitionnés en tout pour le tournage de Marley et moi. Alors, dur d'avoir un labrador comme costard.
It wasn't really so much. They had the great kind of dog trainer who was kind of, they had really, it was stuff that when you read it in the script, like, okay, I walk into here and pour myself a cup of coffee, and the dog jumps up on the couch and starts knocking over a lantern, and, it's one thing to read it, and then you get on set and like, how are they going to, do it? But they'd have, the dog was actually, better at hitting his marks than I was.
Easier than a dog that had to be trained, right? Because
because the dog was trained to be sort of rambunctious.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, to be a little bit out of control.
Lequel de vous deux a la nature la plus autoritaire au sein de votre couple?
Owen Wilson et Jennifer Aniston forment un couple attachant et parfois émouvant dans Marley et moi. Le rôle leur a beaucoup plu et déjà les acteurs s'interrogent sur les prochains qu'ils aimeraient interpréter.
What kind of role? What about playing a... Gosh, I've been lucky because I've gotten to play sort of all the ones that you would kind of think as a kid, because I played like a cowboy, an astronaut, a cop, and played a fireman.
Do you want to play fireman?
Okay, let's go with that. What about you?
Let's play fireman.
What about you, Jennifer?
I'd like to be a fireman.
A firewoman.
Okay.
Let's be a firewoman.
There we go.
There'll be
Yes.
firewoman, fireman, firewoman, the love story.
I've got the title. Fireworks.
I love it.
Enfin, un peu de calme pour se retrouver tous les deux.